Alright, so we're at 8 on the base timing, and that's the setting that I went ahead and went with. We're idling right. We're about to do this mechanical advanced test. Alright, so let's go ahead and get the, start with 800 RPM. Okay, with 800 RPM, we're still showing 8 on the base timing. At 1,000 RPMs, we're still showing 8 on the base timing, 8 degrees. At 1,200 RPMs, we're still showing 8. I noticed that I could hear some arcing going on here, and the balancer mark was jumping a little bit up and back and forth, and then it eventually smoothed out again once I stopped hearing the popping and ticking coming from the distributor. Alright, so 1,200 RPM still puts us at 8 base timing. 1,400 RPM still gives me 8 on the base timing. So 1600 RPMs showed me 14 base timing. Alright, 1800. Okay, so 1800 put us around 16. I want to say closer to 16 base timing. That's 1800 RPM. At 2000 RPM, we're at 18 on the base timing. 2200 RPMs, we're at 18 on the base timing. And how I'm doing this is, I set, at the beginning of every test, I set this down to 0. I look at the timing tab, and as I'm looking at the timing tab, I bring the pointer all the way down to 0 on the timing tab, and I look here to see what number I have. Okay. At 2400 RPMs, we're still seeing 18 on the base timing. At 2600 RPMs, we're seeing about 20 on the base timing. I wanted to make a correction. It was 2800 on the last one, not 26. And we still landed on 20 base timing on both of these. We just did 3000 and it's at 20 again. Alright. So at 3200 RPMs, we're seeing about 22 on the base. At 3400 RPMs, we're still seeing 22. At 3,800 RPMs, we're seeing 22 on the base timing. All right. So at 4,000 RPMs, we're at 24 on the base timing. And I wanted to mention as well that the jumpy balancer mark that I was showing earlier, it only happens between, I want to say 1,400 and 2,400, maybe 2,200. And as we get up in the higher RPMs above 2,400, that jumpy balancer goes away.